Okay, so a couple wee updates, and the main thing being gutters and facing board all on. So as you can see, went black on the outside, white underneath, and aluminium guttering. So it should take the water away pretty good as long as we keep it well clean. Still have the chimneys to rub up, but I'll get there. But very busy. This is the first time I've actually seen this. It was finished on Thursday, I think. But this is the first time I've actually seen it in daylight. Did have a wee quick look Thursday. But again, this is the first I've seen it in daylight, and looks pretty good. So again, a couple of wee things still to do. Felt sticking out there, and pretty guys just didn't trim it off for me. Would have made life a bit easier. Didn't have to run around and trim it myself, or even had it just poked it up a little bit so that it just wasn't on show really. Again, I'll probably just go around and get that sorted at some stage. No big rush for that. Again, here's the job, guys. Like, to me, it does look a lot tidier now, and that's just one more step towards getting the outside plastering done. As all I have left to do is the windows and doors here. So once they're in, I can really crack away and plaster the whole outside to my heart's content. Still loads to do inside here. I'll just show you. We'll talk about these in a minute. But finally got this finished, so we have. Nice wee bit of detail on it. A wee bird beak almost all the way down. Same here. We didn't want to do the inside because I just thought it would have made it look smaller and take away the chunkiness of the timber. Again, it's going to be glass here, glass, and then the door obviously in the middle. But yeah, it's looking pretty tidy. And the other side is all trimmed out, so this frames actually is completely that thick, and then it's all, these are just carved out of it basically to allow the glass in. Glass probably sit say there, and then we can trim it off with something, just a wee bit of beading around, silicone the whole thing, and then squish it into the silicone, and then I'll tack a bit of beading around, and that will hold it. But it needs to be toughened glass, like safety glass. Otherwise, kids will just run right through it. So, yeah, but that's the big massive updates. So pretty happy getting all the guttering done, all the facing board done. That's something ticked off the box. Getting that frame done. That means all the frames are ready for plastering inside and trimming out. And that's, that's a big step forward. So next, windows and doors. And then really will be an absolute pause after that. But yeah, I'll just run through these. There was a nice fella gentleman out was looking to buy some St. Roses. Can't even remember what ones. He liked a lot of them, so he did. I think he really loved this one. Quite a big one. I actually thought he would have liked this one more than he did. Possibly if that was on the ground, he'd have seen it more. And he might want a few of those. So yeah, he was just a bit of a showroom for him to get a look at all the roses that can be made. Obviously these ones over here don't have an actual mould for these, as they're all saved off jobs from skips, believe it or not. Most of them off jobs where we were redoing the ceiling and the person did not want the ceiling rose anymore, and instead of bashing it up and putting it in the skip, decided to save it, and if somebody wanted it, I could make a mould of it and replicate it, just like I can replicate any one of these. again, there was somebody on the channel recently was looking to buy 3 of them, I think. Um, Again, it's no problem if somebody does actually want to buy them. Just we can get that organised. Yeah, I'm gonna have to run around and cut all the foam off on the inside. Before I plaster, I'll just run the Stanley down nice and tight. But guys, that's the major update on the house. I'm about to do an unboxing here now. I'm probably going to run out of memory on that. But yeah, can't really think. I think I've ran through everything with you up to date. So yeah, hopefully you're enjoying this. And many more videos to come.
What we doing live? Echoes in eternity. Aww.